Hi guys, if you happen to just be browsing and you ran to my voice, I'm Fergie. Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe. Wait a minute, have you ever wondered how the Japanese, they stay so slender? Well, I'm gonna give you their tips today. I'm gonna be making today some Japanese water. And here is my ingredients: ginger, lemon, and water. That's it. I know there's a lot of ginger lemon water out there, but this is different. So guys, let's jump right into some Japanese water. So guys, this is 1.5 liter of water, around 7.5 cups. And I'm adding a medium piece of ginger. I just cut them up. And guys, I'm gonna bring this to boil until the ginger is soft. So it's the first time making this water, so I don't know how long it's gonna take to soften the ginger. But I'll see you guys for my next step, all right? So guys, it's been 10 minutes already, still boiling on medium heat. According to their studies, this should help you to melt that fat from your back, your waist, and your thighs. Can't wait to melt them fat. Okay guys, now that your ginger water is cool, look at it. Ginger is nice and soft. We're gonna strain it. To this, guys, I'm gonna add half of a lemon. Okay guys, here's your Japanese water. This is a fat burning water that helps you to burn the fat from your waist, hips, and thighs. Don't forget your stomach, guys. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. And guys, you should drink this 3 times a day, half an hour before your meal. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye.